Turn that down. Ladies and gentlemen, it's June 15th. My name is Hunter John Skowron, and I have to wear a full mountain parka. That is how cold it is in Portland right now. I hope you guys are having a blast swimming, going to the beach, flying kites, parasailing, hang gliding, getting a nice tan. I hope you guys are having a great time wherever you are in the rest of the world, sunbathing like normal people. Anyway, it's 7 o'clock. I'm going to pick up Stephanie. We're going to do something very unique tonight. We are going to go to trivia. This is actually, you know the TV show The Office, the American one? Stephanie and I are big fans. I've followed that show, well, big fans until like season 6. But anyway, Office Trivia's tonight. We were invited to go out and do that. It's in Pioneer Square Mall. So we're going to go check it out. Let's see if we win. Pray for us.
Bonus questions, the office quiz. I can't believe you came. That's what she said. I'm Justin. This is Sarah and Marcus, and we are your quiz masters.
Alright, so we didn't win Office Trivia, but we did pretty okay. We were right in the middle. You know, we kind of relied on just the knowledge we knew, and it was really fun. I like doing that sometimes. It was a nice time, fun experience, but it is Sunday now. Stephanie and I both have the day off, which means I'm cleaning the Airbnb. Stephanie is somewhere out there doing some yard work. I'm going to go help her in a little while. It's kind of like trying to be nice. I think it's going to clear by the end of the day, so if all goes well, by the end of this video, it's going to be kind of nice and sunny. So anyway, with that said, I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning here, then I'm going to head outside.
I'm sorry, but it's true. Truth is shameful and vile. So I'm not real and I won't call you when I wanna talk about mature things.
This is getting ridiculous. I have a white hat. I have a white shirt. I have white shoes. I have white pants. I don't know. I don't know what's going on with white. Anyway, we got some gardening done. Lexington is very upset right there because we are heading out into the world right now. Not quite sure what we're going to do. I know lunch is part of the agenda. So I will take this camera along. Let's see where we end up.
Now let's take steps to rectify your whole life. Take this gift I gave to thee, a promise to be true. Embrace, imagine, imaginations that suit you. Yeah, I wanna talk about mature things, taboo things. I want it to be good, I want it to be good, and I want it to be good, my baby. I want it to be good, to be good, to be good.
We just got back. We went up to Mississippi. The battery's a little low on the camera, so I didn't really film too much. But Stephanie got these really cool glasses when we were out. They're super pink. They make everything super pink. It's kind of amazing, actually. Stephanie's right there. Lexington is over there. Kind of just doing thing here, enjoying our Sunday, which is a rarity that we have days off, which is finally starting to happen again, so that's very nice. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now Monday. Doing this whole thing where I don't film all the stuff in one day. I kind of spread them out. Let me know if that format works for you guys. Curious what you think. It's a little easier for me to do. But anyway, we got all our work done for today. We have nothing else to do. I did a bunch of Airbnb stuff. Plumber came this morning, blah, 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 but something very exciting is happening right now. we have the rest of our day to ourselves, so we are going to Savi Island. It's a beautiful day. Finally feels a little bit like summer, which is nice. And Lexington is going to have a blast. So I'm going to take this camera along, as always, and show you guys one of my favorite places in Oregon, Savi Island. Wow, Stephanie, you look very ready for the beach. Look at this.
I'm ready for the beach.
And I think this little man is as well. Look at that face. Hi, Lex. Alright, we are heading back to Portland. Had a wonderful time here on Savi Island. All sorts of people having a blast out here today. But the island looks beautiful as always. A little early for berry picking, but I would say in the next month it's going to be perfect timing. Can't really think of anything else interesting going on today. Just going to go home and get some stuff done around the house. Ah! And then that's going to kind of be it. But I hope you guys are all well. I hope you're all excellent. I will see you very soon. July 1st is when I'm going to start doing the packing and getting everything ready. I've been talking to all sorts of people down in LA and getting all sorts of stuff situated. So we are on track. It's very exciting. Lots of stuff to anticipate. Lots of stuff to think about. I think there might have been 2 beautiful deer sleeping there. They had a wonderful evening. But yeah, that's going to kind of be it. Just going to head home with Stephanie and Lexington. I hope you guys are all well. See you next time.
Out of my life.